Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to send money on PayPal through friends and family. It's an easy tutorial, so let's get started. First of all, obviously you need to log into your PayPal account and you will end up your dashboard. At the top, you will find send and request option. Just click on this. Once you end up over here, you just need to enter their email or mobile phone number or even the username of their PayPal. So you can enter any one of them. So I just wrote an email over here. Just click on this and you will end up over here. Here you just need to enter the amount you want to send. So let's say if I want to send 20 euro, and if you want to change the currency you can also do that, but make sure that it might cost you 99 cent. So if you want to change the currency you can also do that. You can add notes if you want, and after that just click on keep going. Click on I send to a friend, and here you just need to select how you can send money with. So if you click on change, you will see that through PayPal, balance or Visa card, you can either go any one of them, and once you select that, go back, and at the bottom you will find keep going. Once you click on this option, you will see something like this, and they will notify you that you sent 20 euro to this email. We will send them a notification email, but you can also send them this link directly. So you can share this link to them, whoever you have sent the money. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to send money on PayPal through friends and family. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.